Thank you so much for that introduction, and I'm so excited to see your film. I have it on the link. You guys don't, but I do. And I'm always so moved and happy when I see women filmmakers, because when I was growing up, and you may have heard this before, there were no women. I grew up with brothers and fathers that taught me everything, and so it's always, I have this beautiful soft spot for all of these men that believed in me like I was their daughter. And they made this weird exception for me, and then weirdly I became a pioneer within the industry to come up in the industry because these men loved me. And then that gave me the opportunity to give more opportunities to other women. I made one film in probably 45 years with a woman director, and then my last 3 movies have all been women directors, so I feel